Hey guys, Alexander Piana here with Century 21. Just closed on this great 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome in the Chapman Commons. This is a community, a newer built community, probably built in, I think in 2006 actually. Great amenities like Olympic-sized pool. It's got a clubhouse, a workout area. If you guys are looking for, maybe the millennials out there looking for something more modern, more hip, this is a great community to purchase in. This one closed, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 450, I think 445. About 1,200 square feet, maybe a little under that. Has all the amenities that you could possibly want, and very close to shopping and freeway access, just south of Disneyland. If you guys want more information on this property or any other ones coming on the market right now, we're definitely having some more inventory coming in onto the market, which is definitely a good sign for those buyers that are looking. Give us a call at 714-745-0896. Alexander Piana, the Piana Team. Experience results.